Hi friends, myself Libin. Today I am going to explain about how to select call option and put option in Bank Nifty. So nowadays, most of the people are still not aware how to select the strike rate or how to select the CE or PE in Bank Nifty. So today I am going to explain how we can select the strike rate in Bank Nifty based on the future value. So all those things I will be explaining through this video. So watch completely this video, then only you will be getting a better idea about how to select call option and put option. And if you are satisfied with this video, don't forget to like my video. Okay, before going to the topic, if you are seeing first time my channel, kindly subscribe my channel. Also enable the bell icon so that you'll be getting notification immediately if I upload any new videos. And in the same way, those who are interested to learn more about market, you can visit my YouTube channel Libin EJ, and you can see lot of videos related to market. So you can see like how to invest for long term, short term, intraday. So all those things I have shared already. So you can visit my YouTube channel and you can learn more about market. Okay, let us come to the topic. So today I am going to explain how to buy call option and put option in Bank Nifty. So for that, first thing is that we have to add Bank Nifty future to our watch list. So you can go to the add button here, just type Bank Nifty. So once you type Bank Nifty, you can see here Bank Nifty. So just add Bank Nifty to your watch list. So here you can see your Bank Nifty future is added to your watch list. So from here you can select your strike rate. So the first thing is that you have to just click on the Bank Nifty, and here you can see the options like buy, sell and option chain. So just click on the option chain. So once you click on the option chain, you can see like this side you can see, this side will be the call option. So call option means this will be CE, and here you can see the put option. So put option will be PE. So this is the difference between PE and CE. So CE means it is a call option, and when you are saying a put option, it will be PE. So always you have to keep this difference in mind. Like when you are going for a trading, like most of the people will be using the terms like put option, or some will be using P. So P and put are the same. That is what you have to keep in mind. And when you are going for a call option, so there some will say call option or some will say C option. So this is the difference between C and P. Okay, now we have to see like what is the strike price of Bank Nifty currently. So this is the current strike rate of Bank Nifty. So currently like it is like 22,597. So this is the current strike rate of Bank Nifty. So based on this, we have to identify the strike rate. So this is the current value of Bank Nifty, and if you see here, this is the current rate now. So this is the almost current rate now. So based on that, we have to identify the strike rate. So if you are going for a CE, side, you can buy just above this level. So here you can see like based on the risk level, okay, like what is the risk level you are going to take. So based on that risk level, you have to buy. See, like for example, those who have less capital, you can always you can aim for the range of 100 to 80 to 100. So this range you can aim. Like if you are going for, if you have less capital, you can select like whenever I am in my Telegram channel also, I will be telling you to enter in a Nifty or a Bank Nifty. In that case, like based on your capital, you can buy. Like if you have a huge capital, you can enter this area also, like 300 to 400. But there the variation will be much higher than here. Like here it means like 50 points and it won't be moving that much fast, and your capital will not be losing very fast. And when there is a profit, like if you are aiming for 1,000 rupees and all from the market, like just 40 points is enough. So not required to take huge risk. So like based on the risk, you have to select the C and P. Like if you are going for a call option, always buy nearby the nearby, because it is not like too far from here, because like almost 300 to 400 points up, you can buy like around 90 to 100 to 80 points. So that is more than enough. Like the risk level will be like if you can keep 30 points stop loss, it is not going to hit the stop loss immediately. Whereas if you are buying 300 range, and if you keep stop loss of 30 points, within a second it can hit also, and you can lose more than 1,000 rupees or more than 700 rupees within a second. So if you have a less capital, avoid these areas, okay. Don't enter more than 200. So if you have less than 10,000 rupees, don't enter the strike rate more than 200 value, and enter like around 100 points or 126, whereas you won't be getting much loss. and the movement will be very slow. And the same thing like with the PE also. And when you are entering into a PE side means the put option. Okay, this is the put option. And when you are going for a put option, okay, here you can see the put option. So put option also current strike rate is this. This is the current strike rate. So always you have to select nearby this area. And if it is an expiry also you have to buy nearby this area. So now it is not an expiry. So when you are going for a put option, so here you can see like based this area you can see it is like 100 to 80 to 100. So this area only you have to concentrate. Don't go for 300 range or 400 range, because there the variation will be much higher. Like if you keep 30 point stop loss, within a second it can hit. But whereas if you enter here like 1 or 2 lot, the variation will be very less, and you can get a good profit also. Like if you are aiming for a minimum profit in the market, so don't aim for a huge profit from the market. Also the risk level will be less. So if you are taking for 20 point risk means, like per lot it is like only 500 rupees risk. Only 500 rupees risk, and you will be getting like if there is a huge fall you can get a better profit also. So always whenever you are selecting a strike rate, you have to select like within 80 to 100. Okay, always keep this range 80 to 100 range, and you can keep a stop loss of 30 points or 40 point maximum, not more than that. And if you are entering for a 300 range and all, sometimes we may have to keep 100 maybe 100 points stop loss. So one lot means almost 2500 rupees risk. That is what you have to always keep in mind. And don't follow like whatever, like I have seen some Telegram channel, they are telling to buy 300 strike rate, 100 lot, 200 300 lots and all. But when there is a loss, you have to imagine it is your loss and it is your capital, and they are not going to lose any money. So based on your capital only you have to work out in the market. If you have 10,000 rupees, don't go for 2 lot or 3 lot. Don't buy only 1 lot, because you have to the people who are telling calls, for them there is not even a single risk, because it is your money and your capital. So don't lose your capital. Always always you have to manage your risk and the stop loss also. Like based on the capital only you have to enter into a market, and based on the capital only you have to aim profit. Don't aim like there are some people like they will follow just what others are doing. Like some people they will share, I am getting 20,000 rupees in a profit in a day. So people will be getting tempted to that. Okay, why can't I also get 20,000 rupees profit? You should understand what is the risk they are taking in the market. Sometimes they will be having more capital. So all those things will be there. So don't look into others, what others are doing. Do like what you can. So if you have 10,000 rupees, aim for a 500 rupees or a 1,000 rupees per day. So that is a good amount of return. So work only based on the proper stop loss and proper risk management. So everything should be there. Then only you can become successful in trading. So this is what the small advice I want to tell to everyone. And those who are entering into a market should learn like what is CE, what is P, and where we have to select. And like based on your capital, if you have a good capital, you can select like 200 or 300 range C or P. If you have less capital, select always within the range of 80 to 100. So that will be safe for everyone. And whenever whenever I am telling in the group like enter into a PE, you can enter like maybe 100 range or 80 range. So that will be reduce your risk, and the profit level also will be good. So this is all about how to select strike rate, and I will show you in my group also like what are the suggestions I have given today and what is the status also. And in the same way, like if you want to add, okay, like for example, if you want to buy a PE, for example, you want to buy this PE, okay, just imagine you want to buy this PE, like I am telling you to buy PE, you want to buy this PE. So in that case, what you can do means just click on this PE. Then here you can see there is an option. Here you can see an option. Okay, here you can see an option. So this area you can see an option to add watch list. So just click on this. So you can add to. So just click on this, and they will ask you to add which watch list. So here you can select like where you have to add. So if you want to add to Bank Nifty or Nifty watch list, so just click on that. You can see that is added to your Nifty watch list. So wherever you want, you can add that. So after that, if you want to buy here, just click on buy button. So from here itself, you can buy the stock. So just enter your ID and password. So here you can see, you just go here. If you want to buy the stock, just click on here. You can buy the stock. or if you want to sell the stock, you can just click on here, you can sell the stock. So this will be very easy process. So first thing you have to add the thing, add the strike rate to your watch list. From there you can do buy or sell. Okay, now let us come back to our Telegram channel. So this is a free Telegram channel. Anyone interested can join to this channel. Okay, this is absolutely free for everyone, and you can join to this channel and you can learn more about market. And I will be sharing all my ideas through this channel. So here you can see in the early morning, you can see like I have clearly mentioned what is Nifty's resistance and what is Bank Nifty support and resistance. So everything I will be sharing in advance. So here you can see today's Nifty's resistance and support area. And the same thing here you can see, I have clearly mentioned don't go for Nifty today, because Nifty was in a resistance area, because 11,514 was a resistance area. That is the reason there was no clear breakout. So here itself we can see there is no clear breakout. So that is the reason we did not enter into Nifty today. But we have entered into Bank Nifty. Here you can see like Bank Nifty nearby resistance area. Not broken, ready for P. So that is what I have given in advance. So this is a major tool we are using, like resistance and support. The tool I am using, those who are not aware about resistance and support, you can learn the link, the video I have given in the suggested video. So you can visit my suggested videos and you can learn more about support and resistance. So this is a very good tool for intraday trading. And here itself we can see like clearly I have mentioned. So this area you can see clearly I have mentioned Bank Nifty is going to the resistance area. So from there can be a pullback so that we can enter into a P. So immediately you can see like I have clearly mentioned. So the first candle itself I have identified. Here you can see the red candle. So it went to the resistance area. It is shown as a red candle. So with second candle itself we have to enter into the market. So don't wait for like 2 to 3 candle forms. Like when it is a resistance area, with the second candle itself we can take an entry. So here you can see with the second candle itself, red candle. So I have given I have also messaged like stating that breakout Bank Nifty P side enter. So this time what you can do means you can identify like you can go to the Bank Nifty future and add like 80 to 100 range to your watch list. So it will be easy to identify, like whenever I am telling you there is a breakout, so not going to search and identify. So always create a watch list for Bank Nifty and Nifty as well. So it will be like if immediately if I am telling you to enter C or P, so based on that you can enter, like if you are going for 80 range or 100 range, so you can select the C or P and you can enter there. So that is the best thing you have to do. So I have clearly mentioned also like what is the support area, and here you can see it was like it was falling such a way from here. See the exact point you can see, after that red candle it was falling down, again it went up to the resistance level, again from there it was a falling down. So almost like it was like almost 100 to 150 points fall down from the current rate. So if you are going with an 80 range also, we can make at least 40 points. So 40 points means almost 1000 rupees you can book from the market. So and again I have told, like you can see like around 1 p.m. I told there will be a major breakout in Bank Nifty. So there will be a major fall down, and that is what exactly it was happened. Like almost 1 p.m. market was fallen down, and here you can see like exactly 1 p.m. the market started falling down. Here you can see exactly 1 p.m. the market started falling down, and we could book the profit also. And here you can see like what is the profit I could book today. So almost 2000 rupees I could book from the 2 lot of Bank Nifty. So like if you are going for an 80 range, it went to up to 120 also. So 120 means like almost 1000 rupees you can book with 1 lot. So 2 lot also you can make 2000 rupees. So 2000 rupees means, you know, like this is a good amount of return with a small capital. And you can see some of the people also booked here. So some of the people who are following my Telegram channel and YouTube channel, like they have already learned what is support and resistance, and for those people also made, like you can see like almost 2800 rupees they have made. And here you can see some of the people are made around 1000 to 200 also. So this is how people are making. So this is a learning stage where you have to learn like what is support, what is resistance. So based on the support and resistance, if there is a proper breakout, then only you have to enter into a market. So don't enter for a namesake. Study everything properly and see, like you should have a patience, like wherever don't enter like in between. Only if there is a proper breakout, then only you have to enter into a market. So this is all about I want to tell you. And those who are not aware about how to select CE or call option or a put option, you have to identify like how to select. So based on your risk, like 80 to 100 range you can select, and if you are a high risk trader, you can go for 200 above range. So if you are ready to take a minimum risk, don't go with 200 above range, only go below 100 to 80 to 100 range. And the same way, like those who are interested to open trading account in Angel Broking or Alice Blue, you can contact me. Link I have mentioned in the description. Okay, you can open the trading account in Angel Broking. The link I have mentioned in the description. And in the same way, those who are interested to join my Telegram channel, so this is absolutely a free channel. Okay, those who are interested to join this Telegram channel, you can join the channel. Link I have given in the description. So both, if you are those who are planning to open an account or those who are planning to join this group, so both the link I have given in the description. So hope today's topic is clear, and if you have any clarification related to call option or a put option, you can comment below this video. And if you need any clarification or any suggestions, you can comment below this video. And if you are really satisfied with this topic, you can like my video, and the same way you can share this video to your friends who are interested in trading. So kindly subscribe, like, share. Thanks for watching.